Let's take a look at how Citrix Zen Desktop can lower your total cost of ownership. First, why are PCs so expensive? Well, after the initial hardware cost, you need to deal with configuration, installation, daily maintenance, staffing a help desk, and the cost of user downtime. Suddenly, that single PC costs a lot more. This is where Zen Desktop comes in. Zen Desktop's unique single image management lets you manage your OS and applications separately in the data center. Most virtual desktops combine these images, meaning you need to rebuild the image every time you update one of your applications or install an OS patch. With Zen Desktop, your separate images get assembled in real time and delivered to each user every time they log in. This is called dynamic assembly, and it makes a huge difference in your PC environment. Now, instead of spending days or weeks rolling out a new line of PCs or an OS upgrade, you can provision thousands of virtual desktops in seconds. Help desk support, backups, and security can now be run entirely from the data center, significantly increasing support efficiency for your organization. And downtime is practically eliminated, since any disconnected user can simply log back in, even from a different machine, and find their desktop just the way they left it. These add up to big savings, dramatically reducing your annual TCO. So how do you get started? Your best bet is to roll out virtual desktops in phases. Here's how. With a Citrix Zen Desktop infrastructure in place, you can immediately replace your obsolete PCs with inexpensive thin clients. At the same time, you can leverage the power of any PCs you purchased recently. These PCs can run a streaming desktop right away, which will take advantage of each machine's own processor and decrease the load on your data center. And older PCs not ready for replacement can run a hosted desktop. Over time, you can migrate all of your PCs from streaming desktops to hosted desktops to thin clients, minimizing and spreading out your acquisition costs and thereby lowering your TCO. If you're thinking about a move to virtual desktops, Zen Desktop offers you the best in efficiency, security, and flexibility, but also supports you all the way through a smart, phased implementation strategy. Citrix Zen Desktop, the clear choice in desktop virtualization.